Melissa Seidman from Not Another History Teacher. My personal finance course is an award-winning course. We're one of the top 100 schools in the country for personal finance, and this is the course that I'm selling that I use to teach with my own students. This course is really hands-on, where students are learning about personal finance, having guest speakers come into the class to talk about different topics related to credit or banking or insurance. They are analyzing the current markets with Stock Market Project. They are learning about banking and credit cards and the risks involved. And I feel like this is the most practical course to have in high school, that it prepares them for real life and for college and post-secondary work. This course will make them financially stable and keep them responsible. I hope you enjoy this course as much as I do.